Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really lightweight and compact little hedge trimmer. And this thing is great because it does come with two batteries, and these are 21 volt, 2000 milliamp hour batteries along with a charger. That's going to give you up to 60 minutes worth of runtime, which is a really long time to be able out there doing this. You've got to insert your batteries in the back, simply lock it into place. The batteries don't add that much weight to this, which is great. Now, a couple of nice things. One is you've got this little safety bar there, and you do have a locking mechanism on here that you can pull and actually cut your branches with that. And then the other nice part about this is that this is actually a rotating handle. So on this one in particular, you actually have the ability to pull this part here and rotate 270 degrees. And that way you can hold on to it to cut vertically like this. Very comfortable to do that, locks in place, or pull it, lock it straight, or go the other way. So you've got a lot of different versatility with this, which is really nice as well. So let's go ahead and give this thing a trim here. It's got about a 20-inch blade on the front of this. Looks like it's going to cut real nice. It starts up immediately and goes because it's that electric. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this around here and show you here. So you can do it like this. So that's going to cut up really nice. It's cutting really sharp, easily trimming all that debris off of there. So having the two batteries and the versatility would make this great for anyone's home or garden.